Did you know that the average person makes an error every 300 characters? Within the medical device industry, this can have catastrophic effects on a business, ranging from expensive product recalls, costly delays, and brand and reputational damage, to name a few. Codico are thrilled to have partnered with one of Ireland's leading manufacturers within the diagnostics technology sector in the healthcare industry. Prior to partnering with Codico, this leader in diagnostics technologies had 73 product specifications and utilized labeling software that was incompatible with their two V320i thermal transfer overprinter systems, meaning that operators had to manually enter various forms of data. This was not only time-consuming but also increased the likelihood of human error, compliance breaches, and expensive delays in product recalls. Our automation team recommended Domino QuickDesign as a means of boosting efficiency within their business. Through utilizing Domino QuickDesign, an operator can simply scan a barcode, and the innovative system extracts the required information and automatically populates a product label with all of the required information. This not only ensures accuracy and efficiency, but also allows team members to become more productive in their role, ensuring cost efficiency and productivity are maximized throughout the manufacturing operation. Could Domino QuickDesign benefit your business? Contact our team today to arrange your free consultation. Email info@codico-distributors.com for more.